Hi students, good morning. In this class, we will discuss two fundamental principles of counting and factorials of chapter 4, combinatorics and mathematical inductions. Of counting. There are three types of counting. The first one is sum rule. Then the second one is product rule. Then the third one is inclusion exclusion rule. Okay, let's go to the sum rule. Sum rule. Consider A and B are two tasks. A and B are two tasks. Okay. Two tasks cannot occur in simultaneously. It cannot be performed in simultaneously. Simultaneous means same time. It means same time. Okay. Here A be the one task. Okay. And B be the another one task. If the first task A, which can be performing in m different ways, doing m different ways. Here, if the second task doing n different ways. Okay. Here, the total number of ways. Here, total number of ways doing either task that is either means A or B, which is equal to m plus n ways. Okay, m plus n ways. Next, go to the product rule. Here, consider only one task. Consider a task. Okay. The comprises two procedures. A task comprises two procedures. This is procedure 1. Procedure 1. This is procedure 2. Okay. If the first procedures can be performing in m ways. Okay. M ways. If the first procedures can be done after doing the second procedures in n ways. Okay. In n ways. Then the total number of ways completing a task which gives to m by n, that is m product to n ways. Okay. Comparing sum rule and product rule. Here consider two tasks. Here we take only one task. Okay. Then the process is two process. Process 1, process 2. That is procedure 1, procedure 2. Here two tasks doing separately. Okay. M different ways doing task A, n different ways doing task B, then the total number of ways doing either means task A or task B, which is equal to m plus n ways, sum of the total different ways, here product of the ways. Okay, next go to inclusion exclusion rule. Inclusion, third one, inclusion exclusion rule. Consider A and B are two tasks. A and B are two tasks. Here task A and B, which can be occur in simultaneously. Performing in simultaneously. Okay, here n of A, which is equal to total number of ways, performing task A. Okay, then n of B, which is equal to total number of ways performing task B. Okay, then n of A intersection B, which is equal to total number of ways performing task A and B in simultaneously. Okay, then the result is n of A union B. It means total number of ways doing task A or B, which is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Okay, next go to factorial. Next go to factorials. Factorial of natural numbers. Factorial of natural number n is product of first n natural numbers. Okay, it means n factorial. Okay, it is denoted by n factorial or n factorial. Okay, this is read by n factorial or factorial of n. Okay, it means n factorial, which is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into and so on into n minus 2 into n minus 1 into n. This is n factorial. Okay, here n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into and so on 3 into 2 into 1. In the both cases are same result. Okay, because Example 3 into 2 into 1 which gives to 6. 1 into 2 into 3 which gives to 6. Then the both process is same. Okay. Here to the same process 1 into 2 into 3 into on so on up to n which is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into on so on into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. N factorial, it can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial for n greater than 1. Again, it can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial for n greater than 2. Similarly to the same process up to n. Here, a standard value 0 factorial which is equal to 1. Okay. 1 factorial which is equal to 1. 2 factorial which is equal to 2 into 1 which is equal to 2. Then 3 factorial which is equal to 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. 3 into 2 6. 6 into 1 is 6. Then 4 factorial which is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 which is equal to 4 3s are 12. 12 into 2 24. Okay. Then 5 factorial which is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. 5 into 4 20, 20 into 3 60, 60 into 2 120. Okay. Here 5 factorial, it can be written as using in general form, that is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 replaced to using 4 factorial. Okay. 5 into 4 factorial. Okay. The 5 factorial, it also can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. Okay. Okay, dear students, we can rewrite in any number, that is any finite number of factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial, similarly to the same process. Okay. Thank you, students.